Very good morning to all students, beta. Today we proceed with the discussion of the that topic models, and you will be responding. I'll like to take response from you. Then we will discuss. If any doubt is there, then you can raise hand, and if I give permission, otherwise I try that I take response from the other child. If some doubt is there, then we can discuss. Okay. So exercise number 3, sentence number 4. Yes, Kashish, you start.
However hard I try, I cannot help worrying about my problem.
Yes, however hard I try, I cannot help. Means I am clear, I am sure that I cannot help. Ishita.
Yes. Fifth sentence. Even though the road was slushy and bumpy, we were able to reach the destination in time.
Okay. When the situation is comfortable and you feel that we can handle that, so we can use be able to, that word. Okay. Now exercise number 5. Yes. Mankirat, exercise number 5, sentence number 1.
Yes, ma'am. You must get a visa if you want to visit the USA.
You
You must get a visa if you want to visit the USA.
okay. Wait. Yes, Narinder. Mankirat, you are picking something other and you are writing something, I feel. You took the book. Yes. You are not having
Yes,
book
ma'am.
in you are not having book in your hand,
Ma'am.
but you are writing somewhere. I feel. Be attentive beta in the grammar discussion.
No,
Okay.
ma'am, I was not writing, I was reading.
Okay. 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 Yes, Narinder. And you will tell the reason. Narinder, if your answer is correct, I would ask the reason. Okay. She has used must here. है ना? She filled must here. Am I right, Mankirat? Yes. Narinder. Answer of the first sentence. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, I think that the first sentence of exercise 5.
Yes. Exercise 5, sentence
Okay,
number
ma'am.
1.
Okay, ma'am. You have to get a visa if you want to visit the USA.
Yes. And you see that there is the used in the front with USA. Taranveer, I hope your
Yes.
answer. Narinder, can you describe why you have used this verb have to, this model have to?
Ma- Ma'am, I have to give example where have to is used,
No, just
or like
describe why you think of have to.
why I have used this option here.
Yes.
Okay. So, because if you have to go in any other foreign country, you have to get a visa, and that is a must. So, and that is a very necessary. So, your must, I think, is not applicable here because have to is ma'am. Must is like it is your choice if you want to get or not. But I think
Okay.
have to is like
That is choice will be should. Yes, Shrey, will you describe the difference? Must and have to. Should, must and have to. I described that now. Should, must and have to. These are 4 models: should, must, have to, and ought to. Okay. Otherwise, I told you that there will be different exercises, but to make it easy and understandable, these 4 should be kept in mind. These are very close. Yes, Trey, can you describe the difference of must and have to? No? Ishita?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here have to is used because these are the rules that we have
Rules,
to get
beta.
a visa
Rules.
from rule.
When law or rules enter, that is have to. I think, Taran, now it is clear to you? Taranvi, this was your question, beta?
Ma'am, yes.
When When someone just suggest you, it is a suggestion, we use should. When some command is added, that we should, must. Ought to is also a moral obligation. ought to भी हम पे डिपेंड करता है हम उसको फॉलो करें या ना करें. ठीक है. जब मस्ट बोल दिया इट मींस कमांड फ्रॉम द स्पीकर साइड, तो फिर टीचर ने मस्ट बोल दिया. ठीक है. अब आपको ये असाइनमेंट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. आई एक्सपेक्ट you must complete the assignment today. Clear? But when some rule, some law is added, then it will be happening. So I hope Taranveer it is very much clear to you now.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, beta. Sachit. Next sentence, Sachit.
Her blood pressure dropped so sharply that she had to be hospitalized.
She, pardon please. Her blood pressure.
Her blood pressure dropped so sharply that she had to be hospitalized.
Yes, had to beta. Past of have to is to had to. Third sentence, once. Once.
Yes. Your hair is looking so messy. You must go and get a haircut.
Haircut. ठीक है. Suggestion से थोड़ा सा little pressure हो गया कि आपको अभी जाना ही चाहिए, है ना? तो must. Yes.
One pressure given from the speaker.
Yeah, speaker side. Yes. Hriday.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. For domestic flights,
Excuse me, Hriday. But those who have given the response once, kindly just take your that hand down. Keep your hand down. Yes, those who have responded. Okay, so that other child can get the chance. Yes, Hriday.
Yes, ma'am. For domestic flights, one should check in only 1 hour before the scheduled flight time.
Okay. Namish, same sentence. Namish.
If you are taking the kid out of
Namish,
trekking,
fourth sentence. Fourth.
for domestic flights, one have to check in only 1 hour before the scheduled flight time.
Shrey.
For domestic flights, one has to check in only 1 hour before the scheduled
Shrey
flight.
got a chance because must was also wrong, have to was also wrong. With one, हम क्या use करेंगे बेटा? Has to. Third answer is correct. Okay, बेटा when domestic flight, it means it is some law rules, na? Okay, so we will use have to. But it is then you have to check the subject. Subject is one, so we will use has to. Okay. Yes. Anshika. Anshika.
Yes, ma'am. If you are taking the kids out for trekking, you must carry a first aid kit with you.
Yes, you must carry. ठीक है. बेटा जब थोड़ा सा सजेशन में ये जरूरी नहीं कि कमांड हो, है ना? जब आपको आप थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस देना चाहते हैं कि ये आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, then we can use must. We should use must. Yes. Exercise number 6. Yes. Anshika, you report. Okay. Sahib Singh. Sahib, exercise 6. And we are having the options negative form, must not, don't have to, don't need to, and need not. See the difference. Let's see the difference. Sahib.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which exercise? Actually, I was not hearing.
Yeah, you were somewhere
properly, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Exercise number 6, sentence number 1.
Yes, ma'am. You don't have to get down before the train comes to a halt.
Don't have to. Okay. Part? Yes, part.
Ma'am, you must not get down before train comes to a halt.
Yes, beta. You must not get down. Okay, Sahib? You must not get down before the train comes to a halt. It is suggestion. It is not a rule, no? Yes? It is a, you can say, a strong suggestion. Sentence number 2. Yes, Gurleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have
You
responded, kindly keep your hands down. Sahib Singh, Pat, those who have responded, keep your hands down, beta. I will ask randomly. Yes, Gurleen.
We have plenty of time to complete the work. You need not rush through it.
Yes, we have plenty of time to complete the work. You need not rush. You should remember that when we use need in the affirmative sentences, we will add to. But when it is negative, need not and then verb. You need not rush. Otherwise, you don't have to also fine. Okay. Those who have felt don't have to rush through, then it is also okay. Otherwise, need not is direct. Need not is much clear. Yes, sentence number 3. Prabhmihar Singh.
Yes, ma'am. You need not ring up Kenny. I have already informed
Yes,
him.
you need not bring up Kenny. Take note. Sentence number 4.
Ma'am, we must not take near the we must not talk near the patient's bed.
Yes, we must not talk. Yes, Vikram. Salil. Sentence number 5.
Your writing is quite clear. You dash write your essay again. Your writing is quite clear. You need not write your essay again.
Yes, you need not write your essay again. Otherwise, don't have to. I feel that don't have to is also okay. है ना? You don't have to write again. Teacher ऐसा बोलता ही है. You need not to write
Ma'am,
again. Yes, beta.
ma'am, in this
Excuse
case,
ma'am.
ma'am, if we use must not, so ma'am, what will must not here mean, ma'am? अगर वो सही है तो ma'am फिर must not we can use it.
कहाँ पे बेटा? Which sentence?
Ma'am, this one only. Your writing is quite clear. You must not write your essay again.
नहीं must नहीं आएगा. इसमें suggestion नहीं है ना बेटा. इसमें एक तरह की इंस्ट्रक्शन एडिड है ना? या तो टीचर की तरफ से है. Your writing is quite clear. You need not to write again. हम ऐसा बोलते हैं, है ना? Simply, it is instruction by the teacher. Exercise 8.
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we use here don't have, don't
हाँ.
need to?
नहीं, don't need to नहीं करेंगे. Don't need to नहीं, don't have to हो सकता है. You don't have to. जैसे I am declaring with the names of the students. Okay, it is fine. You don't have to write. Otherwise, need not. Fine. Clear is need not. Yes. Exercise number 8. Should, ought to, and have plus V3. Past participle. Should, ought to. Notice that in most cases, both should and ought to are acceptable. As I told you, beta, ought to is used for the moral obligation. इसको moral obligation बोलते हैं कि आपको किसी ने suggestion दिया तो whether you follow or not, it depends upon you. है ना? वहाँ पे should हम use करते हैं when it is moral obligation. So should, ought to, or have plus V3. Should have means ought to have plus V3 or should have plus V3. इसका ये option रहेगा exercise number 8. Okay. Yes. Paneer. Yes, Paneer, you are not audible, बच्चे. Okay, Salim.
Yes, ma'am. I wonder where she has been detained. She dash here by now. I wonder where she has been detained. She should have been here by now.
Now. She should have been here by now. Yes, Himanshi. Yes, 1 minute, please. Vansh, I always feel that you are yawning in the class. It is not so hard
No.
study. Yes, it is the second time, and previous session also I noted. When you sit for the session, either you haven't taken bath or you didn't sleep properly last night. Once I noticed, it means you are not taking proper sleep.
Today it might happen.
Okay. Last time I remember, that's why I pointed out. I noticed last time also. Okay, take care.
Sorry, ma'am.
No. It is not sorry for me. But the thing is that when we are sitting for studies, these sessions are for studying. So that you should have a feeling like school. You know that it is getting postponed. Fine. So you should not you should be in habit of that you are sitting for the session. It is your speech learning time. Yes, Himanshi. 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 Exercise 8, sentence number 2. Ravnoot. But those who are not responding, they shouldn't think that you will not be asked.
The government should
Yes,
the government should have taken into confidence all the political parties before bringing in this legislation.
should have. Means you think of that they should have done. Paneet, now you try to unmute yourself. Okay, some problem is there. Siddhima. Next, Taranveer. Yes, Siddhima. Sentence number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhima.
You dash.
Taranveer, wait, beta. Siddhima, yes, beta. Sentence number 3.
You should not hide the facts from your parents.
Siddhima, it says should have plus V3 or to have V3. Okay? Okay, Taranveer. Siddhima, listen attentively. Okay, bache? Taranveer.
Ma'am, third one.
Ji.
Ma'am, you ought have not to not to hidden the facts from your parents.
बेटा इसकी प्लेसमेंट देखिए ध्यान से. You ought not to have. इसको नोट करो, हाईलाइट करो. You ought नेगेटिव में आप कहाँ यूज करेंगे? You ought not to have hidden. Fine, note it down. You ought not to have hidden. Yes. Next sentence. 4. Pratham.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Pratham.
If you were so keen to win, you should not hire such an inexperienced lawyer.
Yes, you should not have. प्लेसमेंट बेटा इसकी याद रखनी है. यूजुअली हम यूज हैव नॉट, है ना? तो इसकी प्लेसमेंट कहाँ होगी? फर्स्ट वर्ब के बाद, फर्स्ट मॉडल के बाद. यू शुड नॉट हैव हायर्ड. यस. नमी. Paneet, you are trying better, but you are not audible to us. है ना? Okay, no problem. Yes, Nami.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Fifth sentence. R was a better team. We should have won the match easily, but we made several unforced errors.
Should have plus V3. We should have won. We should have won. Okay. Exercise 9, 10, and 11 was exempted. Okay. So now we proceed with exercise 12. Okay, Hashit. Exercise 12, sentence number 1. Harshit, wait, beta. Wait, please. Rijul. Rijul.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Exercise 12, sentence number 1, and the verbs are will and shall.
I shall reveal this secret to I shall not reveal this secret to anybody. Don't worry.
I shall. Okay. Yes, Eklu.
Yes.
Eklu, you are not having book in your hand?
No. Ma'am have.
No, now you don't have. Earlier you were not having.
मैं साइड पे पड़ी थी यहाँ पर
हाँ
साइड.
जी, हाँ जी. Beta, you need not to
Sentence.
write the responses in the notebook. Just write in the book itself. Okay. You can write the answers of the blanks in the book itself. Yes, first sentence.
Ma'am, exercise number 8.
Exercise number 12. कहाँ खोए हो यार? सीटी है क्या? सीटी है? No,
Yes.
Harshit is smiling. I think you are attending the session and side by side you are revising the test. Okay. Be attentive in the session, beta, because many facts are made clear by discussion only. When we discuss. Yes.
Ma'am, I will not reveal this secret to anybody. Don't worry.
I won't reveal. Yes, Rijul. Beta, when we use model, so we use opposite. I के साथ क्या use करेंगे? Won't. Sit there. Second.
If you don't deliver the goods on time, your payment shan't be withheld.
Shan't be withheld. Yes. Harshit.
Your son will get all the facilities. That's my promise.
Your son
will get all the facilities. Will get all the facilities. That's my promise.
Niyati, same sentence.
मैम मेरा अभी ज्वाइन हुआ है मैम कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हिच एक्सरसाइज
Okay. No problem, beta. Exercise number 12. Namish, same sentence. Namish.
Your son shall get all the.
Yes, beta.
Third sentence success.
G.
Your son dash get all the facilities. That's my promise. Your son shall get all the facilities. That's my promise.
Okay. Your son shall, beta. Okay, shall. Because we use opposite as models. Your son, otherwise in future tense, simple future we use will. But here we will use shall. Okay. Yes. Anshika. Sentence number 4.
If you don't help me, I shan't speak to you ever again.
Why you people are committing mistake again and again? Very simple. I के साथ हमें क्या use करना है?
Won't. I won't
Yes,
speak to you
won't.
ever again.
Yes, I won't. Sorry, Rijul. Rijul again, sentence number 5.
I assure you, I won't let you down.
I won't. Yes. Arvind sir, kindly share the Google form, attendance form, please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'll share.
Thank you, sir. Yes, beta, 13, side by side, you fill the attendance form. Exercise 13 is left only. I think we should cover this also. Yes, Salil.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, in the second sentence, can you repeat shall, shan't be the answer?
Second, your payment shall be withheld. shall be means we are going to do it. Definitely we are going to do it. इसलिए model use हुआ ना. Okay. Yes, Ishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sentence number 1.
Sentences.
G. 13. Sentence number 1.
All dues had been paid, so I didn't need any. I didn't have anything.
Yes.
No, I didn't
I
need to.
didn't need to.
I
Yes.
need to spend anything.
Yes. I didn't need to spend. Number 2. Sentence number 2. Those who have filled the attendance form. Narinder. I hope you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Second sentence.
Thanks for the flowers, but you need not have spent so much money on them.
Yes. Need not have spent. Need not have spent. Third sentence. Shrey. Third sentence.
I had told you it would be an easy paper. You need not have worried.
Yes, you need not have worried. Fourth sentence. So, lunch.
Holiday.
Fourth,
And she
exercise 13. Gurleen. Four.
Ma'am,
जी.
sentence number 4.
हाँ जी.
It was a holiday and she didn't need to get up early. She kept sleeping till 8.
Sleeping till 8. She didn't need to get. But you will complete that subjective assignment of the chapter. Okay? You will complete the subjective assignment of the chapter, next chapter. Yes, last sentence number 5. Yes. Sentence number. Yes. Sentence number 4. Didn't need to get. Didn't need to get. Yes. Hriday. Hriday. Sentence number 5.
When we arrived at Shimla, we found it unusually warm for this time of the year. We realized we didn't have carried any woolens.
When we arrived at Shimla, we found it unusually warm for this time of the year. We realized we need not have. है ना, हमें जरूरत नहीं थी warm clothes लाने की जरूरत नहीं थी. ठीक है, we need not have carried. हमें गर्म कपड़े डालने की जरूरत नहीं.